How many of you have been to McDonald's and went and got the egg muffin? What's it cost? $3.50. Okay, we're going to make the exact same sandwich, and honestly, it tastes better than McDonald's. And this is only going to cost us 85 cents. Our English muffin, again, I always use Walmart brand. Okay, this is the Canadian bacon I like. This is $3.50. There's 10 of them. Cheese, again, all of this is 85 cents. I have a little sandwich maker here. I'm going to post how you can buy that. I forget how much it is, but it's pretty cheap. You make a couple sandwiches and this is free, technically. So we're going to put it in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And again, this really isn't like a cooking channel. It's just making food for very cheap. And honestly, it's going to taste better than McDonald's. We're going to take our bottom, put it here. One slice of Canadian bacon. Our cheese. Okay, you're going to lower this. I've already sprayed this, but you want to do a little Pam here. I'm going to crack my egg in it. Once you crack the egg, I like to just take the shell and I'm going to pierce the yolk so it kind of is spread out a little bit. From here, we're going to close it. Give it 1 or 2 minutes. Now here you can continue getting ready for your work day, because I don't want to hear any excuses. I don't have time to cook this. It took 1 minute to heat up. It's going to take 1 or 2 minutes in here. So fast and easy. Once your egg is about that much cooked, you're going to take your top bun, put it on top, because you want that to crisp. We're going to let that go another minute. Okay, that's it. I know it looks the same. We put it on, but basically we're just going to take this lever, kind of just smush it. That lowers the egg. Okay. From here, you just lift that up. And I'm going to put a knife underneath it to kind of pick it up, and I'll set it on the counter. And honestly, that looks identical to McDonald's. Actually, the egg's a little bigger because that round thing's a little bigger than McDonald's. But look at that. And it honestly tastes better. And that's 85 cents. You can have that every morning, and that just took a moment. 85 cents. Save yourself a ton of money. Cook at home. Lunch, breakfast, dinner. Cook them all at home. This cleans up with just a little wipe, and you can put it right away. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. This channel is all about how to make money, save money, and budget properly. Just one quick add-on. I don't know how to do that affiliating Amazon crap yet. This cost, I just looked it up on Amazon, $20. So that math turns out, if you bought McDonald's regularly for breakfast, 7 times, and this would be free. You eat McDonald's, you poop it out in a day. Okay, this is going to last, I guarantee this is going to last 10, 20, 50 years. This will probably never break. So McDonald's, you're going to poop out in 24 hours. This, you're going to have forever. Save yourself some money. $20, buy this stupid thing. You can have delicious sandwiches.